it?
I did another one.
There's something inside.
Label that round 2.
Oh, I get it!
What do you do?
Pumpkin cider.
I'm done. You're winning. You can't quit now.
Come on, Mom. You need it. You need it.
Mom! Let's go! Come on! Kick his butt!
Somebody, no one wants to hear your ugly voice. Come on, John, keep your head up.
Delete some of the video. She likes me better when I keep it down. Delete some of the videos.
What videos?
What do you mean?
Cheap shot.
I have room on here.
Mom. Yeah. Like, just delete everything on there. It's already on the computer.
Well, I know all the pictures are.
The video should too.
Some of the videos.
Well, whatever. So I'm not gonna need those other videos.
Ow, fucker. Well, you got the gloves on. Still hurts, you asshole.
So you told me, Mom.
That hurt your asshole. I hit your hand.
No, because I was helping her. I was punching.
Ow.
Barely punched her hand. Yeah. Oh.
I see that. Turn my back on her. She's ready.
Come on, Mom.
I'll just defend both of you. Like a swordsman. One hand behind my back. That's close. My nose, they hurt.
Scooby, help him. Help him.
Woo! Scooby.
Come on, run the hemorrhoid. Time.
Jesse.
Answer it.
Hi, Jesse. Oh, hi, Mike. This is Stephanie. I'm good. Huh? Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, take them off.